Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Honda Passport can take you to some really cool places, like biking, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. So the steps for our install are identical on both the driver and the passenger side. We have 6 attachment points. There's 3 weld nuts on the bottom of each frame rail on both sides. And there's no prep needed for our installation, so let's go grab our hitch to put into place. So to bring our hitch into place, we're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is a little heavy. Now we're ready to bring our hardware into place. Our kit comes with 3 bolts for each side, and each bolt comes with a conical tooth washer, and we just want to make sure that the teeth on that washer are facing up towards the hitch. With all of our hardware in place, we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. We're going to be using a 22mm socket for all of our bolts, and it helps to have a 5-inch extension. With our hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3.5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 16 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our video and our install. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.